Today I'm going to show you how to animate text overlays in CapCut. So to animate a text overlay, we need to add in some text. So right at the top of here on the left, click on text. We have different text effects. So these are the effects over here. There are different text templates which you can create on your own, or you can use their existing ones. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on effects, and I'm going to use this one over here. Click on the download icon so that it's here, and then click down, drag it, and add it wherever you want to add it. Alright, let's say we want to add it just over here. Now, make sure that it's selected up on the top right hand side, add in your text. So let's say this is a versus video, and now we are going to animate it. So click out of this box. There's a few different ways that we can do this. So the first way is clicking on animation. We want to make sure here that we are choosing an in animation. So let's just center this guy. Right, so this is what it'll look like when it is starting. Okay, let's say we want to have it shoot out like that. So let's select that one. That's what it's going to look like. And here you can change the duration. Make it a little bit bigger. That looks good. Now you can also change the out animation. So let's say we are going to download this one here. This is what it's going to look like. You can change the duration as well. Ultimately, this is what it's going to look like.
Screen Studio versus Screen Flow.
All right, that looks fantastic. There's another way of doing this, though. You can also use the loop option. So this will literally just continue to loop. So let's select this one. So it's just going to continue to do that movement or whatever effect is on there. But what we can also do is we can use keyframes. So let's go out of animation. Let's go back to text. And if we go down a little bit past this, we got the transform section. Click on the add keyframe. Let's just move it to the beginning over here. Click on add keyframe. Here, we want to just play it for a little bit. Here, we are going to add another keyframe, and we're going to move it here. Then we're going to move on. Let's pause it here and let's move it up over here. Now, when we play it from the beginning, this is what it'll look like.
Versus Screen Flow.
So these are amazing animations or movements that you can do with your text overlays.